Hello! Thought it was about time we did a progress report. We haven't done one for ages. So much has happened. I probably won't remember everything in the video, so I'll just try my best. We've had so much rain recently that spring came and then everything started flourishing. All the leaves came on the kiwi and other things in the garden, and then this frost came in and then nothing but rain, so it like killed it. Everything died back, and then literally today and maybe the other day, but today mainly is the first day we've had sun. We've had nothing but rain and rain and rain, and it's been nuts really. Hang on, have I got my finger on the... No, I'm just checking I don't cover up the microphone, this camera. Anyway, so progress report in our garden. It's mid-May. It's Roy's birthday today, and lucky you got an overdose of the Dalleys this weekend. I've done a couple more videos, so yeah, I've taken in all our washing, so you don't want to be out here seeing our underwear hanging on the thing. So first day of sun for ages, and we're really excited. Roy's busy, well, we all are. We're busy planting up and things. What's behind us? Let's have a look. Let me turn this round. So you'll see Roy come out in a minute, but we're planting sweet corn again in this area here, which was lovely in the middle of the summer, when it was all like 6 foot high and everyone's in the swimming pool. We haven't even touched the swimming pool yet, so it's a bit manky at the moment. But we use this table quite a lot when it's not raining, obviously, and the pizza oven, and we still haven't done the roof, but we will do this summer. We've had time to plant some things and not other things, so half the garden looks a bit wild, which is great. I like wild actually. We've got some nice cabbages growing here. The peas up the sticks are growing. We've planted tiny beetroots, broccoli, kale, got loads of potatoes at the other end. We're going to corner off the chicken pen to about there and have all this side for growing as well. We've had friends here this week, which is lovely. Oh, hello. So the chickens, in the daytime, they roam around our garden, so I've got to be careful because there's chicken poo everywhere. So normally I'll be barefoot, but I don't want it squishing between my toes. Hang on, make sure I'm not covering up any. Okay, so yeah, so this is all growing up nicely. All the trees around us are all greening up. Our strawberry patch, that sort of goes like this. We've kept that wild. We've dug up quite a few of them and given them away, and we're going to change that next year, but we didn't have time to change it this year. The trees around the stone circle are growing nicely, and I've been using this for meditation more. Look at the girls, look. Relaxing, look, under the hedge. Let me take you to my new favourite place in the garden. Okay, we're planting up the little garden now. We fenced it off so the chickens can't get in because they just ruin everything. Oh look! Our grapevine's coming on at last. And this is our new bench. And we've got some kind of berry bush a friend gave us a couple of years ago. It's grown and got some little green looking berries on it. They might not end up green, but you see, they look lovely. This is my new favourite place to sit. Hang on a second. I'm sorry, chicken. And just listen to the water. It's amazing. Cowbells in the distance. Look at all the green, lush colours everywhere. really nice and warm. We've got a new gate. The other one is there. We just swapped them over. Swapped, as the kids say. A raspberry. So we're not sure with that massive frost and rain. We're not sure what fruit's gonna come on. I think the peach tree down the bottom. We got the frost after the flowers, so I'm hoping that we should get that. And all the raspberries are greening up, but I haven't actually. Oh yeah. Oh no, it looks like there could be some flowers coming on the raspberry, so that's good. That's good. Let's go around this way. We're a bit more open at the bottom there because the farmers have cut some of the trees. I think he's only not cut this tree down because I've got my hammock chair in it, and I'm hoping that he leaves that because completely exposed. We've started growing, well, little trees are springing up everywhere in the garden, so we sort of replant them in the hedge line there. There's a goji berry bush. I mean, everything's looking lush and there's flowers coming on everything, so do another progress report in a month or so and we'll see how everything's going. I'll turn you round, just see my voice, there we go. So yeah, nice feature, play area for the kids, a big mechanical digger. We forgot to top off this this hedge here of roses. I get so carried away just looking at everything, I forget what I'm saying. The cows are just resting under the tree there. So this is our view now. The trees have gone on this line here. Let me turn the So yeah, so it's nice. People stayed in the caravan, which was nice. Right in the bottom of here, Roy's been practicing his archery with one of his friends recently. That's why that sheet's up down there. It's terrible walking with this camera, sorry, it's wobbly. So this is our lovely hedgerow of willow. I think it's a variety of willow, I think. And we've planted some new ones on the edge there, but the ones we planted first are all bushing up nicely. Here we go. Let's walk up our stairs. I'm baking a birthday cake for Roy. It's where the fire's on in the barn. And we really try to get organised in the polytunnel this year. So this is all potatoes. Got carrots. A couple of cauliflower plants. I'm still trying to bring all the seedlings on and things, but we're relentless. I don't know if you can see some pots through the plastic there at the other side. They're like little oak trees that are growing everywhere, and we try to repot them. I don't know what else to tell you really. I think Roy was out and then now he's gone back in again. We got 7 chickens and a cockerel, and we get where's me thingy? Sorry, not the most professional thing, is it? 5-6 eggs a day, which is lovely, which we share and exchange with people. Oh, do you want to see my new car? I got given a car for my birthday for free. Yeah, same as Roy's daughter Danielle's, apparently. We spoke to her this morning. Okay, try not to spin the camera around too much. Oh, he's there hiding. I'll come round to you. Let me turn around. So that's our broken Berlingo, which we're almost fixed. This is my lovely little car. Just thought I'd put my finger over between them. And that's our gas guzzling tank. Ooh, and all our wood for next this year. Oh, this time last year we spot the Roy. Yeah, this time last year we weren't using wood at all. Can't believe it's mid-May and we're still using the fire.
Hello.
You okay?
Yes, I am the snack. Before I start my gardening.
Yeah, this is Roy gardening.
Yes. Me gardening.
And our favourite place to sit.
Mm. Yes, nice.
So that's us really. I think I've gone round everything and said everything that I can remember.
Yes. You include the sweet corn?
Yep, done the sweet corn.
Yeah, okay. I'm going back there now to dig the rest up.
Okay, we'll do another progress report in a month because in the summer everything like grows ridiculously fast.
Ah, oui.
So yeah.
Right, I'm going on.
Okay. Bon jardinage.
Yeah, bon jardinage.
Our raspberry hedge here last year grew like 8 foot tall or something. So yeah, hang on, try and. So yeah. So that's our progress report, and if you can, come and visit us, and if you can't, then send us messages, and we're thinking about you all, and we love you lots. And from me and our dragon, which is a bit hidden at the moment. See you next time. Bye. Go find the button.